Selena, Class 10, Chapter 7, Ratio and Proportion. Sum number 9. Find the fourth proportion to 2xy, x square and y square. Let fourth proportion to 2xy, x square and y square be n. Therefore, 2xy is to x square equal to y square is to n. Product of mean into product of extreme. Therefore, 2xy into n equal to x square into y square. N equal to x square upon y square, x square into y square upon 2xy. xy cancel each other equal to xy upon 2. Sum number 2. Third proportion. Find third proportion to a square, b square and a plus b. The third proportion to a square minus b square and a plus b be n. Therefore, a square minus b square is to a plus b equal to a plus b is to n. Product of mean into product is equals to product of extreme. Therefore, a square minus b square into n equal to a plus b into a minus b. N equal to a plus b into a minus b upon a plus b, a minus b. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b cancel each other equal to a plus b upon a minus b. Third proportional is equal to a plus b upon a minus b. Third part. Find mean proportional to x minus y and x cube minus x square y. Let mean proportional to x minus y and x cube minus x square y be n. Therefore, x minus y and x cube minus x square y are in continuous proportion. Therefore, x minus y is to n equal to n is to x cube minus x square y. Product of mean n square equal to product of extreme x minus y into x cube minus x square y. N square equal to x square is common, so x square x minus y into x minus y. Therefore, n square equal to x square into x minus y the whole square. N equal to x into x minus y. Sum number 10. Find two numbers such that the mean proportional between them is 14 and third proportional to them is 112. Let the numbers be a and b. 14 is the mean proportional between a and b. Therefore, a is to 14 equal to 14 is to b. A into b is equal to 14 into 14, 196. Means a equal to 196 upon b. Let that be equation 1. Third proportional to a and b is 12. Means a is to b equal to b is to 112. Therefore, b square equal to 112a. A is what? 196 upon b. Therefore, b square equal to 112 into 196 upon b. Implies b cube equal to 112 into 196 equal to 2 raised to 6 into 7 cube. B cube equal to 2 raised to 6 into 7 cube. Therefore, b equal to 2 square into 7. That is 28. Sum number 11. If x and y be unequal and x is to y is duplicate ratio of x plus z and y plus z, prove that z is a mean proportional between x and y. X upon y is duplicate ratio of x plus z the whole square upon y plus z the whole square. Cross multiply x into y plus z the whole square equal to y into x plus z the whole square. Open the bracket. Y square x into y square plus 2yz plus z square equal to y into x square plus 2xz plus z square. Open the bracket. Xy square plus 2xyz plus xz square equal to yx square plus 2xyz plus yz square. 2xyz cancel each other. We get xy square minus yx square is equal to yz square minus xz square. Xy is common into y minus x. Z square is common into y minus x. Cancel each other. Xy equal to xy equal to z square. Therefore, z is a mean proportional between x and y. Sum number 12. If x equal to 2ab upon a plus b, find the value of x plus a upon x minus a plus x plus b upon x minus b. X equal to 2ab upon a plus b. A divided by a on both the sides. We get x upon a equal to 2b upon a plus b. By componendo dividendo, x plus a upon x minus a equal to 2b plus a plus b upon 2b minus a minus b equal to 3b plus a upon b minus a. Let that be equation 1. Also, x is equals to 2ab upon a plus b. Now, divide by b on both the sides. We get x upon b equal to 2ab upon a plus b. Again, by componendo dividendo, we get x plus b upon x minus b equal to 2a plus b upon 2a minus b equal to 3a plus b upon a minus b. Let this be equation 2. Add equation 1 and 2. We get x plus a upon x minus a plus x plus b upon x minus b equal to 3b plus a upon b minus a plus 3a plus b upon a minus b. Multiply this term by minus sign. The denominator will become a minus b and numerator minus 3b minus a plus 3a plus b upon a minus b equal to 2a minus 2b upon a minus b. 2 common equal to 2 into a minus b upon a minus b. Cancel each other equal to 2. Therefore, x plus a upon x minus a plus x plus b upon x minus b equal to 2. Sum number 13. If 4a plus 9b into 4c minus 9d equal to 4a minus 9b into 4c minus 9d, prove that a is to b equal to c is to d. 4a plus 9b upon this, divide 4a by 9b equal to, here divide 4c by 9d. 4c plus 9d upon 4c minus 9d. By componendo dividendo, we get 4a plus 9b plus 4a minus 9d, 9b upon 4a plus 9b minus 4a plus 9b equal to 4c plus 9d plus 4c minus 9d upon 4c plus 9d minus 4c plus 9d. Therefore, 8a upon 18b equal to 8c upon 18d. 8 upon 18 cancel each other. A upon b equal to c upon d. Sum number 14. If a upon b equal to c upon d, show that a plus b is to c plus d equal to root of a square plus b square is to root of c square plus d square. Let a upon b equal to c upon d equal to k. Therefore, a is equals to bk, c is equals to dk. Left hand side equal to a plus b upon c plus d equal to, substitute the value of a and c. We get b plus k plus b upon d dk plus d. bk plus b upon dk plus d. Here b is common, here d is common. Equal to b k plus 1 upon d k plus 1. K plus 1 cancel each other, equal to b upon d. Right hand side equal to root a square plus b square upon root c square plus d square. Substitute the value of a and c equal to root bk square plus b square upon root dk square plus d square. Here b square is common, here d square is common. Therefore, equal to root b square into k square plus 1 upon root d square k square plus 1. K square plus 1 cancel each other. We get root b square upon root d square, which is equal to b upon d. Therefore, left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved.